one are you going to?
3.
Have a nice day. Coming down?
No, it's okay. Thank
Okay. Coming up. Which one are you going to? And just turn it sideways. Yeah, you'll be good.
Am I going to smush it?
Nope.
Alright, 2 please. Cool camera. Cool camera, right?
Thank you.
Is it a video camera or is just a regular?
It's a hobby. I basically am interested in elevators, and it's big community of people film elevators too.
So my nephew works on elevators.
Really?
And it's a job that you wouldn't imagine.